corsets that pinched and deformed us. Now it's called shapewear that does that job for us. Botox and boob jobs and asses that swing. These are a few diabolical things. Women raped daily and then blamed by judges. Leaders in power who fiddle and fudge it. Laws that need changing are tied up with string. These are a few diabolical things. Hair stuff that dyes us and diets to change us. Facelifts that vainly try to rearrange us. All of these measures are meant to clip wings. These are a few diabolical things. When the hags speak, when the crones rise, when we clear our minds, we simply remember it's all of one piece. That's how the world's designed. Footwear that binds us, stilettos remind us. Don't get ahead of some man who's behind us. Cosmetics for wrinkles in bottles and tins. These are a few diabolical things. Men who beat partners and think it's okay now. This is the news that we read every day now. Two skinny models, anorexia sting. These are a few diabolical things. Thongs passes panties, bra wires poke ribs now. Barbie doll thinking begins in the crib now. When others dictate how we look, act and think. These are no doubt diabolical things. When the hags rise, when the crones speak, when we mind old ways. Those women before us who stood strong and true gave us what we need today.